My Excel class.
Welcome to the 16th lecture of the AutoCAD. In this lecture, I will teach you about the break and the join command. To start this one, let me draw something by using the line command. Well, here's a line, and here is a circle, and here are the two further lines. Well, as I have mentioned, I will be explaining break and the join command. Well, here's the break and join command in the modify panel. Here's the break command between 2 points, break at a certain point, and next one is the join command. So I will be explaining one by one. So let's start with the break command between 2 points. Means this is the breaks the selected object between 2 points. So if you want to break your object between 2 points, you can do this by using this option, and you will click here. Now it's asking that select object. Here's our object, and now it's asking that specify the second point, not first point. I will explain this later, but now it's asking that specify the second point, and here's the second point. See, first point is the point when I was choosing the object. When I clicked on this object to select the object, it picked that point as the first point, and second point I have mentioned now. I'm repeating this one again. Suppose here's our line, and I want to apply the break command. I will go here on the break command, and now I'm choosing the object. See, this is our purpose, but wherever I will click to select the object, it will pick that point as a first point, just like this one. If I click here, now it's picking this as a first point, and now it's asking that the second point, although you can change your first point by clicking on this one. Just like if I want to change, I don't want this as a first point, I want to change it, I will click here on the first point, and I will click here. Here is the first point, and now it's asking to mention the second point. Here is the second point, and everything is done. So this was the break command between 2 points, and you can break between the 2 points. Just like here's a circle, and if you wish to break between 2 points, you will click here on the break command, and now it's asking that select the object. Here is our object, and now it's asking that specify the second breakpoint. Just like here is our second breakpoint. Now it's done. So well, this was the break command between 2 points. Means here, these are the 2 points between we want break. These were 2 points between we want break, and so on. So next command is the break, but not between 2 points, but at a certain point. Just like we have a line, and I want to break it at a certain point. I will click here, and now it's asking that the select the object. Here's our object. I will select it, and now it's asking that to specify the first breakpoint. Just like suppose this one is our first breakpoint. I will click here. Now it has been broken. How you can see this has been broken? You can see here, just like when I click here, now it's a separate line. This one is the separate line. So this was the break one between at a certain point. Just like if you have a circle, and if you wish to break it at a certain point, you can do it by clicking the on that point. Anyhow, this was the break point, and next and final command is the join command. By using this command, you can join two objects. Just like these lines are collinear, and I can join it by using that command. I will click go here, I will click join, and now I will click here and select object. I have selected, and now I will press enter. It has been joined. If I wish to join this one, I will go here, click here. Now it's asking that select source object. Suppose our source object is the this one and this one, and I will press enter. It has been joined. So this was the join command. Well, next one is the I want to join this circle, and I can join this one by using this command. I will go here, I will click on the join command. Now it's asking that select the source object. I will click here and press enter. Now it's asking that select R to join the source or close it. I will click here. It has been joined. So well, this is all for today lecture. I hope so this lecture will be informative for you. If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.